Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Companies. So in today's video, I am going to give you a brief overview about the topic delegated legislation. So delegated legislation refers to the process of making laws by individuals or bodies other than the primary legislative authority, such as government, ministers, regulatory agencies or local authorities. So for this, in delegated legislation, it is an essential tool used by the governments to implement and administer laws effectively, as it allows for more detailed and specialized regulations to be created within the framework of the primary legislation. Delegated legislation is typically authorized through enabling acts or statutes which delegate the power to make rules, regulations and or bylaws to the relevant authority. The types of delegated legislation include statutory instruments, orders in council, regulations, bylaws and the administrative rules, among others. So now talking about delegated legislation, so it provides flexibility and agility to respond to changing circumstances and emerging issues promptly. It allows for a quick adjustments and updates to laws without the need of full parliamentary scrutiny. However, one concern with delegated legislation is the potential for the abuse of power, as it bypasses the usual level of parliamentary scrutiny. To address these safeguards and oversight mechanisms are often put in place to ensure accountability and prevent misuse of delegated powers. So delegated legislation plays a crucial role in areas such as health and safety regulations, environmental protection, taxation, immigration and many other fields where specific and technical expertise is required. The process of making delegated legislation usually involves public consultation and stakeholder engagement, ensuring that affected parties have the opportunity to provide input and raise concerns according to that. So delegated legislation can be challenged in court if it is believed to be ultra vires, that we all know, which means that beyond the scope of the authority that is to be granted, or if the proper procedures were not followed during its creation. Different countries have varying approaches to delegated legislation. Some have strict limitations on its use, while other grants broader powers to delegated authorities depending upon their constitutional framework. So now I am going to just wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this topic, you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.